Action.
You know, you go to like a cafe and you see these bottles here. So we're gonna try this Torani. I bought these online, Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below and try it. So this is vanilla. So this is actually vanilla flavored coffee that I got, but it tastes a little bit like vanilla. So I was like, okay, let's try this. And I put a half a teaspoon in. Now, the recommended serving size is two tablespoons. I put half a tablespoon in, right? Mm-hmm. So what is that? 1.5 teaspoons. Mm-hmm. And you can't even really taste it. So let's try. Whoops.
Oops.
That's
okay.
like an almost. Okay, so I'm gonna do half of that. So I'm gonna do a half tablespoon there.
Here, dump it in mine.
And then I'm gonna stir that up.
Yeah. You can put that in mine.
So this is still half a serving.
Uh-huh.
And this is 10 grams carbs, in case you're one of those people like me that has to count those things. Okay, I can taste it now.
Taking the edge off?
Yeah, it took the bitterness out of the coffee, like almost entirely.
Yes, and that's a dark roast coffee.
Yeah, this is pretty good.
It's a very bold coffee.
By itself, it's really good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But like, you could see how like if you put this in like a latte or something like that, or if you had creamer in here, that would make a difference. But let's go with let's add another half. So that we're almost at the recommended dosage.
Yes.
Dosage.
Potion.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can taste it. Right?
Now you can taste it. Yeah, it's significant, but it's not really even sweet yet.
Yeah.
So this is the full amount. This is 2 tablespoons in like 8 ounces of coffee. Actually, that's a little more than 8 ounces. It's definitely there. Now, it doesn't taste like vanilla, like a baking vanilla. You know, it's not that strong. And it's got a little bit of a, I hate to say it, but it's got a little bit of a plastic taste to it.
Yeah.
Now, this is a plastic bottle, so I don't know if that has to do with it or not.
I know what you're saying.
You know what I mean? It's got a little bit of a like artificial flavor to it, so it's definitely not natural vanilla flavored. Now, this is the way I'm actually going to drink it though. So, give me 1 second. I'm going to get chocolate almond milk. This is a great one too. If you're dieting, this is a great substitute for coffee creamer because you can have a whole cup of this and you're still only getting like 1 serving of carbs, 20 grams carbs. So basically 2 tablespoons of this stuff is equal to 8 ounces of this stuff. And this has a lot of flavor in it. So, but the mixture of the chocolate almond milk and the vanilla syrup,
that sounds good.
that's really good.
Well, they said that right on here, they said
Here, you taste it.
you can do that with
Latte.
hot chocolate.
Yeah, that's delicious.
Yeah, now that tastes nice.
Yeah.
That's a nice blend.
This is good by itself without
Yeah.
the sweetener, but
Yeah.
you put this in, it gives it an extra level of dimension. Now we have a caramel one too. We'll do a video about that one next. So,
Okay.
thanks. Have a great day. Smash like for me, and if you want this, it's in the description box. You
Cool.
can get this in any like grocery store. I can put that in the description box too.
Nice.
Peace.